Hi guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming through with a brand new hair tutorial. We're going to start this off by spraying our hair with some water. We're going to jump right into it, literally. So yeah, I'm just spraying down some water so that I can get the hair moving, so I can pull it up into a ponytail. I really didn't go too hard with the ponytail. I wasn't trying to do it too tight or anything. I just kind of threw it up there because I was adding this ponytail. This is my Afro Kinky Curly Drawstring Ponytail from BetterLength.com. I will post their link up there so that you guys can check it out, and I'll also include it in the description bar for anyone who's interested. I absolutely love it. Prior to this, I sprayed it down and added some moisturizer, and I kind of went through it with my Denman brush just to add some definition. So yeah, once we get that string wrapped around, we're going to proceed with the hairstyle. Okay, so I separated it. I basically like to work in threes. So I separated a back section of the drawstring ponytail. And as you can see, I kind of twirled it around and made like a roll. And now I'm bobby pinning it to the back of my head. You want to make sure when you do this style that you pull your ponytail to the very top of your head so that you can have hair hanging in the front, because it's so easy to just do exactly what I'm doing and give the illusion of, you know, the hair being in the back simply by rolling it. So as you guys can see, I rolled it and then I tucked it and I pinned it. And I kind of wanted it to have like that faux hawk look. So yeah, now that I have that complete, I'm going to, I have my second section, which consists of two pieces, and I'm pinning one of them right now. I will pin both of them to opposite sides. So I took the one on the right and I pulled it to the left, and I'm pinning it in that same manner like a mohawk. And I'm taking the left section and I'm pinning it to the right. And I made sure that I didn't pin it too tight so that I could have a little bit standing up, you know, to add a little height to it. Because like I said, it's kind of a faux hawk type look. It's a little more classier than your typical mohawk. You know what I'm saying? I had some little short strings and I just kind of tucked those. You can pin yours if you would like. I tucked one side and pinned the other. So you see what I'm working with now? And I'm so sorry that I was out of frame. I'll fix it later on in the video. So yeah, now we're on our last section, and I was kind of trying to figure out how I wanted to do it. I think I ended up separating it into two, or did I? Let's see. I had to go in and continue fixing those pieces because I didn't want anything, you know, out of place. Okay, so I decided to do a little roll and loosen it and then pin it like in my little donut thing I like to do with my Marley hair. Just to give myself like a little bang. And then I pinned that down as well. And our style is complete. Now all I needed to do at this point was like go through and do some additional pinning to make sure that everything was in place, that nothing would, you know, come loose, nothing was moving. And now you see why I really didn't go all out with my ponytail either. Like, I didn't need it to be extremely tight. And I also made sure that my back was in place, pinned down really well. I think the style turned out really cute. Like, who would think to make a hairstyle with a drawstring ponytail, guys? Definitely try this. Unfortunately, mine was a little damp, but it's still a really cute style. I hope you guys like it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. That is my hairstyle. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.